We come to the elevator at the IKEA in North York, Ontario. It's a Northern. Baytrail has filmed this elevator already, so we're going to watch the button go out. It should be here any second. Here it is. Small Northern. Okay, we're on the ground floor. We're gonna go up to 2. Door closed. The front door opens. I don't know why that does. That Baytrail's tells the same problem too. So we're gonna press the door close button.
I think they're trying to close it.
Wait, are you coming in?
No, it's okay.
All right. So here we go. There we go. This is a Northern elevator, capacity of 12 people or 910 kilograms. We'll go back down. And I believe which door is going to open, I do not know. Rear door is going to open. This is the second floor we're coming. So, okay then. Watch the door close. It's a nice small elevator. There's the flooring. And here's the square button, and that's it.